Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shay, and on this channel I have been sharing my entrepreneurial journey. And if you're not new here, you know I love to share, okay? I don't do the gatekeeping over here. So in my last video, I did a mini vlog and I was sharing how I have been exploring the marketplace madeinchina.com to find new vendors and new manufacturers for my business. If you're not already aware, I do have an online stationery shop called Paper Standards, which you can find at paperstandards.com. And I sell a wide array of stationery products, but one of my main products are my vegan leather agendas with customizable inserts that you can add inside of them. Now, while I still actively have an inventory of inserts, I haven't had the agendas in quite some time. And that's because I had some issues with my manufacturer and I wasn't able to continue ordering from that same vendor. So I was so excited to hear from Made in China and really start to explore the platform. And now that I've received a couple samples from a really great vendor, I wanted to unbox them with you all so we could experience them together. So just to give you some background information about madeinchina.com, it is a leading B2B platform. That means business to business. So if you're a small business owner looking for new vendors or manufacturers, this is going to be the perfect place for you. There are so many global suppliers that can provide you with customized solutions for the products that you need for your business. Consider it a really huge marketplace with a very powerful search engine so that you can find exactly what you need to bring new products to your customers. Madeinchina.com does feature over 92 million product listings from vendors across 27 industries, and they're available in 16 languages to ensure that you can get a customized user experience. I definitely recommend downloading the app so that you can join a community of businesses who are experiencing the benefits of the platform firsthand. Once you download, you can start finding your target products, connecting with suppliers, and expanding your market reach. So I'm going to include a QR code here for you to download the app. If you're watching this from mobile, feel free to screenshot and long press the QR code. That way you can get everything downloaded and you can start exploring today. But while you're doing that, let's get right into this unboxing. I'm so excited. Again, I saved this all so we could do it together. So first things first, I really love the communication with this supplier. They reached out to me directly and they also made sure that they gave me some additional items so I could really understand their product offerings. So for my type of product, it's really important to have fabric swatches. I really appreciate the vendor sending me these additional fabric swatches. This is going to make my decision making in the future much easier because I have exact colors. I know the texture and the feel of the product that's going to be used for the agendas. So I have this sleeve of swatches here. And then I also have a whole other swatch book here. So lots of bright, beautiful colors. I believe this is the swatch that my product is. So while I don't currently sell discbound agendas, I did want to get a sample of one because I know there are a lot of you out there who are interested in them. So I made sure to get a sample of that. I did use my 2025 design for the sample, which I'm honestly in love with. And so far, the paper looks very high quality. The thing about discbound is that you can easily remove the pages, so I do like that style. It's not my personal choice for planning, but a lot of people love it. So far this is some really high quality paper. It's a nice bright white and it feels like it's my preferred 32 pound. This is laminated for longevity. If I was ordering in the future, I would personally probably go with a thicker cover, but I know a lot of people actually put their disc-bound planners inside of other agendas, so I do like this thinner profile cover as well. The vendor was also nice enough to send me some additional disc options, which I think is really great. If you're going to sell disc-bound planners, having various disc options is a perfect way to upsell for your customers. So with the sample, we have the black discs, but they also sent the gold and rose gold, which are both extremely pretty. I really love the gold. And I like that they're already pre-packaged and ready for you to sell. And I'm sure that you could also fully customize your packaging as well. That's a good thing about working with a B2B platform. They know that you're a business owner and know that you're going to need some unique customization. So they can pretty much take your ideas and turn it into a product that you can be proud to share with your customers. Some more goodies that this manufacturer sent me. They were nice enough to send me the divider tabs, which is something that I previously sold and it's a great add-on for any agenda style planner business. They sent them in this pretty off-white and then a clear color. Ooh, these are so nice. Personally, I like when they are like thinner profile but sturdy because it doesn't make your planner so bulky. And this is a perfect weight for these. This is definitely something that I can see myself continuing to order for my customers. So let me actually show you the difference between the clear and the off-white. Both are really, really pretty. So these are the two colors that they sent for the tabs. Really high quality. I'm going to actually take this a step further and see if I can rip these. So just so you can see, quality wise, these are thin profile, but they're really high quality. Like, I'm not able to easily damage them at all. Last but not least, the most important sample in the box, the agenda. She looks so pretty. I gave them some pretty basic information and they were still able to execute it. So I can only imagine if I gave like my exact details. So something that's important to look into when you're ordering custom products is a tech pack. Take some time to research a tech pack and how to put one together for your product and your business. But so far, loving the way the agenda is packaged. It has the ring protector, which is always nice when you're offering this type of product. You want the customer to know they're the first to have it. So I always make sure I ask for the ring protector. I didn't even ask this supplier for the ring protector sheet, but they just knew to include it. So that tells me that they're used to dealing with agendas. The quality feels very nice. They were able to get all of my gold hardware that I love. Let's check these rings. Rings are sturdy. The ring test. Quick button test. Okay. If you can, it's actually a nice idea to get a couple samples so that one, you could be a little rougher with to double check all the quality. For all my people who are interested in manufacturing agendas, another important detail is going to be your ring size. These rings look to be about 1/2 inch. Depending on your customer base, they may be looking for 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inches. It really depends on what your customers are into. If they are into like a nice sleek profile or if they like a chunky mama type of planner. So it's really good to survey your customers and see what have they used in the past, what they're looking forward to using so that you can accommodate small details like the ring size. Other small details like the pocket sizes, and if you're going to have any secretarial pockets in the back, pin loops, these are all things that you can think about to include in your tech pack so that your supplier knows exactly how you want your agenda to be created. So far, I'm really impressed with the quality that I've received from this supplier and also the communication. It was really easy to connect with the supplier, show them exactly what I was looking for, and the fact that they went above and beyond and gave me some additional samples and different products that I could provide in my business is chef's kiss to me, because the easier that you make it for me to continue ordering with you, the better. So I really appreciate the supplier as well as Made in China for even providing this platform for business owners to easily find new manufacturers and new vendors to create their unique products. Again, many of you watching are in the stationery industry along with me or aspiring to be in the stationery industry. But if you are not, please keep in mind, madeinchina.com spans over 27 industries. So this is a really amazing marketplace for you to begin finding suppliers for the product that you would like to create, not just stationery. Make sure that you go in, do a deep dive into the type of items that you're looking to create, and I'm sure that you'll find a supplier that will match with your needs. So before we head out for the day, I'm going to do a quick recap of the samples that I received, give you some up close shots so you can really see the detail. Let me know if you have any questions down below. In the description box, I'm going to have all the information that you need to connect with madeinchina.com, as well as download the app for easy searching. But again, let's keep the conversation going. Let me know what type of product you're interested in creating, and let's see if we can find you a supplier on madeinchina.com.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.